Grandpa?
Come on down and let's make some of them traditional Uppet family Christmas cookies. It'll be fun and it'll be good.
Okay.
All right. Now, Timmy and Sara, this recipe makes about, let me see here, 4 dozen or maybe about 3 cookie sheets full. Okay?
Cool. Man, that's a lot of cookies. Right, Sara?
Now, you'll need flour, baking soda, and baking powder, butter, and let's see, sugar, my favorite, sugar, and let's see, 1 egg, just 1 egg, that's all you need, yep, that's all you need, just 1 egg, and a splash of vanilla. That's right, vanilla. Now, I want you to, if you don't have me around to turn the oven on, make sure that you get your grandma or your mama over to set the oven at 375 degrees. That's right, preheat it so when you're done with your cookies, you can put them in the oven and bake them.
Man, Grandpa, I'm so glad you're here to help us make these cookies, because I couldn't do that. Right, Sara?
All right, now, what you want to do is find a small bowl.
Okay, here's the bowl, Grandpa, right here.
Yeah, get your small bowl and put in the flour, the baking soda, and the baking powder.
Okay, put this in here, like this. Yeah, like that, Timmy, like that. And let's see, grab this. Yeah, Timmy, that one, don't spill it. And let's see, and this. And now we're gonna take this and stir it up.
And go ahead and just set that aside. Just set it aside over and
Okay, Grandpa, here they are. We put the baking soda and the talcum powder and all the stuff in the bowl here.
It doesn't have talcum powder in it. It's baking powder, not talcum powder. Sara, you're so funny.
Oh, I meant baking powder. That is so cool and funny, right, Sara?
Now, in a bigger bowl, what you want to do is you want to mix the butter, sugar, nice and smooth. That's right, nice and smooth. Just whip it around, nice and smooth. And you might need to get your mom again to use the mixer. But Timmy, since I'm here, you can use the mixer and I'll help you, okay?
Around town, go around the bowl, around.
Take the vanilla and slap them eggs in there. Slap them around, slap.
I'm slapping, Grandpa, I'm slapping around town, slapping it around town. Yeah.
Now, get your mixer and mix that stuff together. Mix it all together.
Around town, go around the bowl, around. Around town, go around the bowl, around.
Now, get your mixer and mix the flour, the baking soda, and baking powder and mix that stuff together. Mix it all together.
Around town, go around the bowl, around, wow, wow. Oh man, this is so cool, isn't it, Sarah? Sarah, why is your neck crooked like that?
Now that you mixed all that stuff, and by the way, Timmy, you're doing a real good job. Now, once you got it all mixed up with the mixer, what you want to do is get you a spoon. Let's see if I can find a spoon over. All right, now, get your spoon or a fancy scooper and scoop it right on the baking sheet. That's right, just scoop it right on there. Now that you got it all on the baking sheet, put them babies in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. That's right. The oven should have been preheated in the last thing. Well, I think we did it, yeah. Okay, now, put them in the oven. Wow, these came out so good. Now, Timmy, what you want to do is take icing or sprinkles, and you just sprinkle up those cookies however way you like.
Cool, I'm gonna make a smiley face on top of the snowman cookie.
It don't matter because they're your cookies.
I'm gonna squeeze it out on it. There you go. Man, that's so funny. You just squeeze it right on the pan there. You just squeeze it on there, don't you, Grandpa? You just squeeze it and squeeze it right there on the pan. That's right, on the pan. Yeah. I'm gonna squeeze it out on it. Do it like this. Yeah, Timmy, do that other one too. Put some of that black icing on one of the other ones. That would be nice and neat. What do you think? Okay, I'll do that. And little something like this, and yeah, that'll do it. Right there, yep.
It'll be fun. Let's do that right now. Put the sprinkles and Christmas. Man, I sure am hungry. Let me get one of them.
That was fun, wasn't it, Sarah? We had a good time. Yay! Bye! Man, that is so cool.